The Nokia Dragon Pro is an upcoming flagship smartphone anticipated to make a significant impact in the mobile market. It is expected to feature a 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, offering vibrant visuals and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection for enhanced durability. The device is rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with up to 18 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, ensuring robust performance and ample space for users. Photography enthusiasts may appreciate its quad-camera setup, which reportedly includes a 200MP primary lens, a 32MP ultra-wide sensor, a 12MP wide lens, and an 8MP depth sensor, while a 64MP front camera is expected to cater to high-quality selfies. The smartphone is also said to house a substantial 8,500 mAh battery, supporting fast charging capabilities. Running on Android 14, the Nokia Dragon Pro aims to deliver a seamless and feature-rich user experience.